not yours. It's mine.
I think the yellow one is yours, Lauren.
This is mine.
Mm-hmm.
My basket. This is mine. This is save it for Easter.
Can you get Holland's down for her?
Here, Holland. What's your toy? Here. Let's tell it all decorations. So decorations. The decorations are pretty. Right? And open them. Here.
I guess.
Chocolate! I want chocolate.
Uh-oh. Holland found something, Lauren.
It's your egg.
You're in the shot, in case you know. I don't care.
Another egg.
Holland found an egg. She's gonna bust it everywhere.
Here, Holland.
Put them in your basket when you find them.
Okay. And what's the chocolate? Want one?
No thanks. All for you.
This is Sean's basket.
Yeah.
This is my basket. It's half. What's the chocolate?
Want to find some eggs? Where's the eggs? Let's look for them. Okay, close the top on that. Okay, one more.
She just put it in her mouth.
Oh. Oh, Holland.
Another egg.
Oh, you better get it. Put it in your basket.
It's mine.
Let's look for some more.